Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to viewing this my video. In this video, we will talk about how we can use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. So first of all, let's talk about what VLOOKUP is. VLOOKUP is basically vertical lookup. So basically, let's say you have this data set and you want to apply VLOOKUP on any of the column. Let's say I want to VLOOKUP customer key, and on the basis of the customer key, let's say it is we are searching for 10 customer key. We want its first name or last name or birthday or any we want the its relevant column cell value. Like for this, let's say I want to search 10 and I want to get this his birth date, or we want to get its yearly income. So VLOOKUP helps us in finding this. So how it works? Let's VLOOKUP. So let's talk about. Okay, let me do this. Okay, yeah. So in this video, I will show you how you can use VLOOKUP. So let's go to sheet 2. I have prepared some customer keys that I want to do VLOOKUP on. So how easy it is to do VLOOKUP. Let's say I want to do VLOOKUP on customer key 7 and find its first name. I want to find first name, last name, and yearly income and total number of children here. So how we can do that is very simple. You use VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula is VLOOKUP, and then let's select VLOOKUP. Let me select, and then you give the search key that you want to search. Which element you want to search? I want to search this cell. So you give the cell reference, and then you give the whole range, and you have to give the customer key as the first column of the range. I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna select up till this, and then I have selected my sheet 1 from B range to K range. So basically A2 will search in the B column where it will find A2 cell value. So A2 cell value is, let's go back here. A2 cell value is 7, and it will search sheet 1 B column for the 7 value, and then our next parameter would be, let's go back here. Our next parameter should be which column value do you want to return when it finds that specific cell reference value. Let's say so I want to return first name. So you will select the column index starting from 1. B, this column is 1, B column is 1, C column is 2, and D column is 3. So you will select 3, and then you have a parameter is sorted. If you don't give this value by default, it will be true, and true means that it consider this source range, this customer key, to be sorted, and it will give you approximate match, not the exact match. So I would prefer you should always use false here. So let's false, and let's go back here. We will use false, and let's click it. Find in on the customer key 7, it find first name Janet. Let's go back here. You can say 7 is found here, and its first name is Janet. So we are right. We look up the first name according to customer key. Similarly, you want to apply to the all the first name for all the elements down below the rows. So what we will do, we use the dollar sign to fix our ranges. Let's go so it doesn't changes when I drag my formula down. And yeah, and I could also select a column because I don't want a column to be changed. So I did in front of a, I did dollar sign, but not in front of 2, because 2 will change. A3, it will be A3 here, A4 here, A5 here, A6 here. So let's drag our formula down, and let's do this. it find the all the customer key first names from V lookup in here. So let's say on 13 it find Lauren. On 13 it find Lauren. On 3 it find Ruben. On 3 it find Ruben. So yeah, simple is that. Now you will, for the last name, we know that let's copy the formula here, paste it here, and we know that last name is the fourth index. Let's go back here. Customer key is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will use the 4 index here to find the fourth index value. Let's go back here. Let's see, it's Janet Alvarez, and we will drag the formula down to apply the formula in all. Is Janet Alvarez on customer key 7? It find Janet Alvarez on customer key 7. And similarly, for yearly income and total children, we will just uh, count the column index. It's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8 for yearly income. Let's go copy this. And you always remember you have to give that column number. It should can be able to access from here, like B to K. I selected B to K, so K up till K range is selected. So you have to be sure that the column index you are selecting is also available in this range. So let's do this. Let's copy this down. Again, you copy this, you paste it here, and you just change the index to, I think it's 9 or what. It's, yeah, 9. It's the next column to yearly income, 9. So it should be for Janet Alvarez, it should be 0. Let's test this. Yeah, it's 0 for Janet Alvarez, and 70,000 is a salary yearly income. Let's check that. For Janet Alvarez, it is 70,000 and 0 children. Let's select a random one. Shannon Yang for 18. 18 for 18. Let's select that. Shannon Wang, 18. F, 20,000 and 4 children. Yes, Shannon Wang, 20,000 and 4 children. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and please ask your problems you are facing in Google Sheets, and I will answer those. Thank you.